BNS, BNSS, BSA, IPC Crpc IEA. Got confused? Let's understand and clear the confusion. BNS is the short form of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, which replaced IPC, that is Indian Penal Code 1860. BNSS, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, which replaced CRPC, that is Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. BSA, that is Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, which replaced IEA, that is Indian Evidence Act 1872. Now the question arises in many minds, including me, that why the old laws has been changed into the new ones through the legislative process, primarily by the parliament. Now, what is the main motive or object of these changes? So the object of these changes from old ones to new ones is generally to ensure that they remain effective, relevant, and fair in a changing world. There are many reasons, but most probably we can say that the changes in the old laws is made respectively to modernize the India's colonial era criminal justice system, shifting focus from the punishment to justice, incorporating technology, defining new crimes like terrorism, and speeding up trials with timeliness for faster justice delivery. So these were the main objects we can say. The assent date of all the three new laws, which are BNS, BNSS, and BSA 2023, is all the same, which is on 25th December 2023, followed by the assent date of the President. The enactment date of all the three laws are the same, which is on July 1st, 2024. So let's know about the main law, which is BNSS, because it replaced the criminal laws, the old criminal laws. So in the first chapter, we would be able to learn preliminary under section 1 till section 5 in this act. So now we talk about the sections. There are 531 sections, and the final section, which is section 531, states about the repealing clause under this act. And it clearly states that BNSS 2023 replaced CRPC 1973. On the other hand, CRPC 1973, there had a final section, which is section 484, in which it clearly stated that CRPC 1973 replaced CRPC 1898. So let's know the overview about BNSS. In short, there are 531 sections in total in BNSS, whereas earlier in CRPC, there were 484 sections. And there are 39 chapters in BNSS, and earlier in CRPC, there were 37 chapters. And the schedule for both BNSS and CRPC remains the same, which is 2. Under Schedule 1, we would be able to learn about the classification of the offences. Under Schedule 2, we will be able to learn about the given forms, which are 58 forms, whereas earlier in CRPC, there were 56 forms. So we can see major changes in the new laws comparing to the old ones. So we'll come up with more information and details. So stay tuned.